Hello dear friends, this is HD. Today I draw bully very easily. Let's go start the video. Draw its Now draw its hand, one line, another one, same process. Then draw its thumbnail, draw another three finger, draw another hand, draw its thumbnail, draw also three finger. Now draw eyebrow on the eye shape. Draw another one right side. Now draw its hair, its triangle shape. And draw another hair, same process, triangle shape. Draw another triangle shape, draw another triangle shape. Now draw two spots, one are small and another one is big. Now draw its leg, one line, then left side another line. Now draw its foot, big one and another two. Connect them. Now draw its left side leg is as like small. Draw its finger and connect the line. Now draw its tail simply and draw another one line. Connect the line. After draw inverse U shape. Draw a small u and connect them. Now draw a line, middle point, then connect the line them. Okay. Dear friend, our drawing is complete. Now I color it. At first I draw yellow color. Dear friend, now I am using light green color. To draw red color, its tongue very easily. Dear friend, now I am using light blue color. Dear friend, now I draw dark blue color. So dear friend, our bully drawing, how nice it is. Please write down your valuable comment in our comment section. You can also write your name in the comment box. If you write your name in comment section, I will draw a picture with your name first letter. Please dear friend, do subscribe my YouTube channel and like, comment, share this video. Dear friend, you must be hype this video. I request again, please hype this video and share this video. Bye bye, take care.